How to see forgetting passwords. In Windows PC, you can see some saved password from Windows Credential Manager. If you go to the Windows Credential, then you can see some saved password from here. If you just click here, then you can see their password actually saved here. If you click edit, then you can see the password. Also from the browser you can see uh, your saved password from also browser. How to see it? You should just go to the password and autofill option, then click Google Password Manager. Then you can easily see your saved password from here. If you just click here, then you should input your PC login password. If you provide the PC login password, then you can see this website's credential. Thank you for watching.